Right, so got a 2010 Skoda Yeti. It had perish seals, and the seals go from the front of the door around the window. They're £180 per side, and it's a lot of work. What I've managed to do is I've got these AliExpress seals that are a very similar profile, and I've ran them along, snipped the top of these, and then glued them on. I'm in the process of doing it the other side, so I'll just show you where I got to. All right. So here's the profile of the AliExpress one and the profile of the original. The original's got a flap instead of a seal that is fixed at the top, but when they're on, it's identical, so you can't really tell. So first off, you want to make sure that you've cleaned off all of the rust and stuff like that, and then from the bottom, trace it up and along until you get to the top. Snip where you get this little lip, it gives you a bit of a seal, and then I'm going to snip as close as I can to it, and then just run a little bead of super glue around it and press it to like the other side, and that sorts the problem. I hope this helps. I hope it saves you thousands of pounds. Peace.